Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by checking the essentials. Make sure your save is on the correct patched build and that your cat has stealth and the 2x jump unlocked. Once done, position yourself near the East Alley spawn point. That's the primary dog locus. Make sure game time reads close to 0700. Clear weather raises spawn probability. Don't stall. Immediately enable scent tracking if available, then move slowly, hugging cover to avoid resetting the spawn. You now execute a systematic sweep. Start clockwise through East Alley, then Market Roof and finish at Fountain Plaza. Keep movement deliberate. Use scent tracking pulses about every 10 seconds to reveal faint trails and listen closely for the low growl audio cue that indicates proximity. Once you detect scent, slow to a crawl and toggle cover. This prevents the dog from fleeing. Also, trigger harmless ambient events like market stall noises to elicit behavior. You close the encounter by taking high ground and dropping behind the dog to avoid its sprint trigger. Approach slowly and use 1 or 2 tranquil pounces to halt movement. Once subdued, hold the interaction key for 3 seconds to complete the capture. If the dog despawns or flees, don't chase. Reposition roughly 200 meters away, wait 5 minutes in game time to reset spawns, then reload the last autosave and repeat the sweep. That troubleshooting step fixes most spawn issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.